Well, Steve, thank you for joining us at the Entrepreneur Summit. Maybe you can start us out by telling us a little bit about yourself and the company that you're involved with.
So, RTP Ventures, the firm that I'm with, New York-based B2B enterprise technology early stage investor.
The purpose of this conference is to bring entrepreneurs together so they can network, so that they can learn from entrepreneurs that have gone before them, and so that they can hear from industry folks such as yourself. What would you recommend that they focus on, taking away from here, the most important aspects of this day and a half?
I think there's a lot of kind of do's and don'ts, pattern recognition that VCs develop over time dealing with hundreds of entrepreneurs. And normally, we're pretty good at being forthcoming about what those kind of do's and don'ts are. So, in conversation with me, just be forthcoming. What should I do? What should I not do? Do you find this intriguing or not intriguing? And I'm happy to let entrepreneurs know so that the next time that they're sitting across the table from someone, they've got the right behaviors.
Entrepreneurs are a different breed. You need elements of that, but I presume there's also some limitations that the entrepreneurial personality imposes. How do you, as an investor, manage around those realities?
Entrepreneurs tend to be highly skilled at one particular thing, maybe to the detriment of some other things. So if the entrepreneur is open about what their strengths and weaknesses are, it's actually not very hard to work with, and also willing to listen and at least take a little bit of advice from their venture capital firm who has probably seen a number of things or issues or challenges that they're going to be facing.
Entrepreneurs don't necessarily enjoy the pressures the venture capitalists put on them, but they need those pressures oftentimes. Maybe you can talk to that dynamic a little bit and in part help entrepreneurs understand exactly why what you bring is more than just money.
Everything's got to be worked backwards from the next time you get funded or from the time that you go public. It's got to be worked backwards till today. And there's got to be certain results that have to occur in order for that funding to be successful, in order for the right people to be interested. I think that the pressure that venture capitalists bring is really being able to cross that finish line in time so that the next successful thing can happen to the entrepreneur. And to the extent that we're able to do that, whether or not the entrepreneur finds it comfortable or not, I think he ultimately finds it satisfying in that he becomes successful.